Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to take a few minutes of your time to present to you Syarikat Steelcon. Syarikat Steelcon is Malaysian fabricator established in 1974. Located in Nilai, which is approximately 45 minutes away from KL. With versatile experience, Steelcon provides comprehensive solutions for reformer packages for methanol plant, hydrogen generation units, and etc. For heater, cracking heater, vacuum heater, fired heaters, thermal oxidizer, water bath heater, hot oil heater, platforming heater, heat exchanger, cold collector and inlet system, process skid package, waste heat recovery system, pressure vessel, piping for power, process and gas transmission, steel structure fabrication, boiler and boiler parts, storage tanks, and many more. Steelcon is an ASME authorized U&S stamp fabrication shop with ASME audited quality control systems. We have also established quality management system, QMS, and was accredited to ISO 9001:2015 by Independent European Certification, United Kingdom Accreditation System, and also Department of Standard Malaysia. Our wide experience in pressure equipment fabrication has earned us accreditation by the National Board of Boiler and Pressure Vessel for NB and our stamp. In 2024, we managed to obtain Korean Safety Certification KGS, as KGS certification is recognized by many international clients. It helps us to participate in projects in Korea and beyond Korea, as it strengthens the company's reputation and competitiveness in the Asian market. At Steelcon, safety is not just a policy, it's our culture. For half century, we have made safety our top priority, ensuring that every project, every process, and every person operates in a secure environment. We believe that every accident is preventable, and through strict compliance, continuous training, and a commitment to excellence, we strive to maintain the highest safety standards in the industry. Because at Steelcon, safety isn't just a requirement, it's our responsibility. For our past experience in reformer and heater as fabrication and supply of process gas heater package for Bao Steel, China. Fabrication and supply of waste heat recovery convection modules for Petronas, Malaysia. Fabrication and supply of hydrogen manufacturing unit, reformer, and WHRU for Hung Yuan Refining Port Dickson, Malaysia. Fabrication of regeneration gas heater convection module for Bintulu, Malaysia. Fabrication of thermal oxidizer, Synthomer Pazer Gudang, Malaysia. Thermal oxidizer, PT Pertamina EP, Indonesia. Fabrication of regeneration heater for Qatar liquefied gas, Qatar. Fabrication hot oil heater, Gasco Ruiz, Abu Dhabi. Fabrication and delivery of convection module AR Razi Plant 5, Saudi Arabia. Fabrication hot oil heater package, Ismakol, Sociedad Anónima, Colombia. Fabrication and delivery of WHRU Hershey Petrochem, Saudi Arabia. Fabrication gas turbine generator and gas transmission capability stack and duct with structural platforms, Petronas Floating LNG-2, South Korea. For cold collector, Steelcon is one of the approved vendor by Halder Topso, our work included. Bao Steel John Jian Guyan and Steel, Shaft Furnace Direct Reduction Project, China. Haydar Aliyer Oil Refinery, Azerbaijan. Bharat Stage 6 Project for Gujarat Refinery, India. Danghara Refinery Toji Osayo Limited Liability Company, Tajikistan. MKP Methanol Project, Iran. Tafneft Steam Reformer, Taniko, Russia. For skid, TEG dehydration package for CO2 export facilities, Ras Laffan, Qatar. Bidboland 2, Iran. Western Isles Development Project FPSO, United Kingdom. Pyrene FPSO Development Project, Australia. Jangkrik Complex Project, Indonesia. Pengerang Cogeneration Plant, Malaysia. At Steelcon, we have a complete site job team with relevant qualifications such as OGSP and CIDB, mainly to handle crucial site work with fast turnaround such as erection, maintenance and replacement job at site. Our experience are as fabrication and erection of thermal oxidizer, top glove, Banting, Malaysia. Fabrication and assembly of convection modules transition, Gasco Abu Dhabi, UAE. Fabrication and erection of steam reformer, Petronas methanol plant, Labuan, Malaysia. Fabrication and erection of air separation unit, Linderpaser Gudan, Malaysia. Replacement of reformers tubes, Air Products Banting, Malaysia. Replacement of reformers tubes, Air Products Kuantan, Malaysia. One of Steelcon's policy is to provide excellent quality product and excellent service to meet our customer specification and requirement for total customer satisfaction. For our business relation, we wish to achieve and sustain long-term growth through continuous improvement with our client. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Hope you have a fruitful day.